Backhoes dig. Backhoes dig up dirt. They carry and dump it too. Backhoes work at construction sites. The digger bucket is at the back of the backhoe. It digs holes. It dumps the dirt in piles. The loader bucket is at the front. It scoops dirt from the piles. It carries the dirt away. What else do you think the loader bucket could scoop? An operator sits in the cab between the buckets. The seat spins. It faces the bucket he is using. The backhoe has parts called legs and arms. Legs hold the backhoe steady when it digs. See, legs, these things that come out. An arm moves the digger bucket. Arm, this part. This backhoe digs a deep hole. It makes room for a swimming pool. What else could a backhoe dig a hole for? The digger bucket digs a long trench. Workers will put in pipes. What other kinds of things do you think could go in a long trench? Here's a trench. Let's dig in another one over there. The loader bucket scoops up dirt. It will dump the dirt on top of the pipes. Backhoes dig holes and scoop dirt. They move dirt to do big jobs. Parts of a backhoe: the loader bucket, the cab, the arm, the digger bucket, the legs, and the wheels. Parts of a backhoe. And here's the picture glossary. Construction sites, those are places where construction or building takes place. The operator is the person who controls the backhoe. Pipes are long, narrow tubes that carry water, steam, or gas. And a trench is a long, narrow ditch. And that's it.